Hey everybody, this is Michael Bondi with Urban Nest Realty, Summerlin Realtor and Drone Pilot here. Well, guess what? I think I just found where Grand Park's going to be up in Summerlin West. So obviously it says no trespassing, all that good stuff. So we're going to respect that. But check out this view from up here and look at how big this detention basin really is. It's pretty insane up here. So just to give you some ideas as to where this is at, all of this construction right there is from Red Point Square, Summerlin, and I'm probably a good 2-3 miles to the northwest of that location, but pretty interesting up here. So just a quick little video to show everybody this is where the Grand Park's going to be for Summerlin West.